Get ready to flash your brightest smile because we're taking a bite into the world of dental mini implants. Our guest today has been enhancing smiles for over 2 decades in the Sacramento region, and she's here to share her dental insights. We're joined today by Dr. Andrea Joy Smith. Hello, Dr. Smith. Thanks for being here.
Thank you so much, Melissa. Hello to you as well.
So tell us about the unique service you provided for so many patients.
Yes, in my office, we focus a lot on restoring smiles using an advanced technology called mini dental implants. Dental implants themselves have been around for many years, and in our industry, mostly the conventional implant has been the most common type of implant that patients receive. However, there are so many patients who have just a small amount of bone, and they have, traditionally been locked out of receiving dental implants. And so with the small dental implants, the mini dental implants that we use at my office, it actually restores access to care to people who have been told they are not candidates, and is actually taking them from having loose, ill-fitting dentures to having dentures that fit in without denture adhesives, and they can have a lot more confidence with their smiles.
And that's what it's about, be confident. Let's talk about how long this dental implant option that you mentioned has been available to your patients.
Yes, this particular dental implant option initially came along in the 1960s. However, when conventional implantology came around in the late 70s, early 80s, it was sort of pushed to the side. But at that time, the small diameter or mini dental implant companies were actually developing a smaller diameter implant to cover those patients that didn't have access to care because of the small amount of bone. And they were developing technologies very similar to the conventional implants. And so the same features, like the metal that they're made out of, the strength of them, is now the same as with conventional implantology. And so that's been going on for at least 20 to 25 years now. And I have personally been using them for my patients for the last 16 years.
Wonderful. All right, so can you show us some of the options that patients have for tooth replacement and denture stabilization?
Absolutely. Some of the problems that we can fix are patients with loose, ill-fitting dentures, and these dentures often use adhesives to actually stay in place. But with 4 implants placed, for instance, on the bottom and 6 implants placed on the top, we can actually snap those dentures into place, and the patients have an option of having confidence with dentures that do not slip around as usual.
We actually have a video testimonial of one of your patients. Are you okay if we take a listen?
I would love to.
All right.
I just want to thank Dr. Andrea Joy Smith for giving me my smile. I have not had nice teeth or a straight smile since I probably was in 3rd, 4th, 5th grade. I was so self-conscious about my teeth. But because of her treatment and her procedures, I now can smile. I'm proud of myself, and I encourage anybody to overcome your fears and come and see her and put your life back on track as it pertains to your dentistry.
That's a great testimony. So tell us about the typical patient that you think could benefit from this treatment.
Yes, first of all, it is so rewarding to see patients who are very appreciative, because they've gone from having teeth that they can't really be proud of to teeth that now they can be proud of. And for our denture patients, for instance, not having to be on an automatic delivery from Amazon for denture adhesives, they're able to snap those dentures over 4 small diameter implants or one-piece implants, and they can function just well. So our typical patient is either a patient that currently wears dentures or a patient that stayed away from dentistry for a while because they felt that they didn't really have a good option. Conventional implantology sometimes proves to be cost prohibitive, and so my patients have either been looking for a solution and now we actually have a more affordable one, or they're already wearing dentures and they are tired of using the adhesives.
Dr. Smith, thank you so much. We know you take time out of your busy practice because you believe in this work. We appreciate you joining us, and thanks for being here. You can find out more by going to smileagainnow.com.